Hey, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do a brief walkthrough of Merch by Amazon on how you can select products to upload your designs to print on, um, and also just to show you how you can use your designs and then upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Merch by Amazon, and hopefully some sell if you wish to monetize it that way. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the first thing to say is you need to have a Merch by Amazon account. All right, so I don't have a resource for that, but I believe Kevin McGuire has a couple of resources like his Facebook group and his free ebook. I'll make sure I'll include links below. Go check those out. So, get started and apply to join Merch by Amazon. I believe it's invite only, but once you get invited, you can create your own merch over here. So once you get your account set up, go to create, and then you can upload your artwork. Now this is where you design your own art, and you can just upload them over here. The previous videos, I believe we've been sticking to a law niche, and this is one of the ones. I'm not suggesting you use this. It's just an example. But what I did was a black background over here, and then I did white fonts, font centric, or words only. It's a fancy way of saying just words or letters. And so I called it I Am the Law, black background, white font. I downloaded a JPEG. It doesn't matter what program you use. I designed this in Canva. You can use your own program. Canva's free. You could even use Adobe Spark, the free version. That's fine too. But if you have the JPEG, make sure you convert it to the PNG. Okay, and this is a transparent background PNG. Okay, so use a converter. So let me show you the one I used. I used this one, onlinepngtools.com, and you drag and drop your JPG file, and then make sure you select the right criteria over here. It may take you a few tries, I'll show you what I mean, but make sure you select the right criteria, and then click Save As. You'll see the PNG come up, alright? And what it should look like is something like this, okay? I know it doesn't look great, but trust me, it'll look fine once you convert it for upload into Merch by Amazon. So, let me show you what I mean. As I said, you got to try a few things. Now, I tried black background, white fonts. I've tried white fonts and black fonts, and sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error, but eventually you'll get it. You'll see what I mean. And then you select the one that's correct. It's got to be transparent background, and upload it. Okay, and you'll see it pop up real soon. Okay. Incidentally, if you're enjoying the video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, don't forget to subscribe as well. Oh, before I forget, let me, I jumped ahead of myself. Let me show you what merch you can actually print on demand with Amazon. So they've got shirts over here, okay? They've got long sleeves, they've got women's, kind of V-neck or hoodies, right? Pop sockets, an iPhone, and Samsung Galaxy cases. So these are the options that you got. So you don't have to design for a shirt. You could design for a pop socket, okay? You could design for a phone case, all right? So don't feel like you have to stick to shirts or long sleeve, all right? Now that being said, this is the table that you can choose what options what merch you want to print on your design. Okay, now each option represents one product. So if you take this one, .com, standard t-shirt, that is one product. You take another one in a different region, that's another one, and so on. Okay, now I'm going to just stick to one, okay, standard t-shirt. And when you click on edit details, you'll see it's got men, women, and youth. And you can select up to 10 colors, and just be aware it says additional colors not available in Japan. So Japan is your your target market. I don't know anything about Japan's market, so I can't say, but if Japan is your target market, just bear that in mind. Let's go back to select products. I do not want .co.uk. I'll just focus on .com, and only for the t-shirt. Okay, so let's just go back there. And the reason I deselected that is because you'll see you can put the pricing for the markets and it'll give you an estimated royalty. Now we'll cover that in a different video, but basically I've got white fonts over here. Alright, now white fonts is fine on black, so if you want a black shirt, you have a white font, that's perfectly fine. But if you got a white font, you probably don't want a white shirt. It doesn't look good. So you can see that, you know, white on white just doesn't look right. So select the colors that you think makes your design pop, and don't forget it actually tells you please select at most 10 colors, so you only have a limit of 10, so make them count. All right, now this is just for as an example, so I strongly suggest you do your own designs. Don't use this one. So once you got your design, make sure you're keyworded, you know, in the design titles and features and brand if you have one, and you can even use this nifty little tool. If it's searchable, anyone on Amazon can search it. If it's not searchable, you might use this if you're designing something custom just for yourself or your business, or maybe you've partnered up with someone else. You could make this non-searchable. It kind of adds that exclusivity kind of feel. All right, so you could use this as an option, just putting it out there. You don't have to. And as always, make sure you have the rights to the original artwork and brand and everything, okay? Do not go and copy someone's stuff. That's not cool, okay? Design your own, make it original, have fun with the design process. Once you're all well and good with everything, you can click on publish or save as draft and you can revisit it later. Alright, so I just wanted to do that video to show you that once you've got your designs, you can upload it to a print-on-demand platform like Merch by Amazon, and you can go from there and potentially monetize it, or don't monetize it if you just wanted to do something, you know, custom that you wanted to make for yourself or friends or family. You could even do that and then order, just go to Amazon and order one. Alright, so you could do that completely 100% yours. Alright, so I'm going to leave it there. I hope you found that useful. Okay, don't forget, give me a like, subscribe, drop a comment, okay? And whatever you're doing, have a great day. I shall see you in the next video.